It's me. I'm back. It's been a while. I'm in a new house and we're going to make fried chicken. So I got to show you my stuff. I have a picture. Come on, me. I'm going to stand you at the bowl and tell you what I'm putting in here. As soon as I remember how to tip my desk guy. There's the seasonings. There's the bowl. I think you're looking at the bowl. Yep. So first I have something in my bowl I don't want. 4 tablespoons of paprika. 1 tablespoon of black pepper. 1 tablespoon of MSG. This is optional. Some people get headaches from it, but we seem to be doing all right with it. 1 tablespoon of ground ginger. 2 tablespoons of garlic salt, Scaldsburg, but I used garlic powder because it's got enough salt in it as it is. 2 teaspoons of regular table salt. 1.5 teaspoons of thyme. 1 teaspoon of oregano. Now this is a key ingredient. 3 tablespoons of white pepper. 1.5 teaspoons of basil. 1 tablespoon of celery salt. See, more salt, look at that. And then 1 tablespoon of dry mustard powder. What you have to do now is mix this together nicely so it's well blended. And then we'll add 2 cups of flour. And what's not in the recipe, but I do add, is some cornstarch because it helps it stick. And I'll get that all together and come back. So my oil is hot right now, like really hot. So I turned it down some. It's making noises. So I've got chicken. I just put the oil. You know, you're just moving around. So yeah, I got chicken. Oh, how do I do this? Where's that guy? I soaked it overnight in oh, there we go. This guy, baby. Nope. Yeah, there we go. And there's my mix, which I took a picture of. I soaked it overnight in milk and vinegar, so because I don't have buttermilk and I didn't see the point in buying it. I'm sure you can hear my oil just bubbling away. My stove has come to temperature because I'm going to put it in at 200 because I got to cook it in batches. Okay, so first, 1 tongue for raw chicken, 1 tongue for cooked chicken. I know you can't really see what I'm doing right now, but I'm rolling the chicken around in the mixture. I suppose I could take the whisker. Okay, I'm going to do a few legs first. Legs in the pan. Coat them. Sounds like my oil's settling down a little, so that's good. It's supposed to bring it to 340 Celsius, but I don't have a way of gauging the temperature over there. And we're still learning to cook with this stove. It's only been, I don't know, a few months anyway. Mama's used to cooking with gas. I'm used to cooking with electric coils, so this glass electric is new to me. Because it won't be noisy, people. Actually, maybe I'll direct you down a little bit first. Oh, gotta flip that one first, don't I? Oh, tighten that one first. Oh, that's that one. There's so many things to do on here. Okay, we're gonna turn these on. See if we can get the oil pan visible. There it is. Okay. So, generally you dredge the chicken in water. That's nice. But I did soak it in the milk, buttermilk substitute, so I will skip the dredging with water because then I'll lose some of my flavoring. There we go. Those guys start. Get the next batch in the pan. Get breaded. I can use this guy now that they're in there. I'm just going to flip them over quickly so you can see how beautiful they do get. Nice golden brown coming. But you got to cook them for 8 to 12 minutes. So I'm going to stop recording for a bit and come back when there's more cooked. We're walking around the kitchen. You're on a different tripod. Want to see supper? They're a little darker than I wanted. But like I said, I'm trying to learn the stove. The oven. Oh, sorry. You want my face right there, do you? I think it's really hot. I think it's really hot. I think I almost fell over. Okay, I'm going to pause this for a second. Come back. It's hot. It's very hot. I take a bite. It's good. A tiny bite because it's hot. A little bit crummy, but good. Like not crummy like that, like crumbs. Crummy. This is my garden. This is a cucumber. That's the cilantro my kid wanted. It's starting to flower, but I don't know if that's good or not. That's the cauliflower that the rabbits keep eating. That's the broccoli that the rabbits keep eating. I need to eat this thing yet. Eggplant, we're coming along. Look at all this tomatoes. Lots and lots of tomato plants. Peppers. One great big green onion over there. More tomatoes. I know I planted that. No. Lots and lots. Oh. These ones are from my cousin Margie. Some of these I grew from seed and some I bought from the store. Do I remember which is which now? That's a store one. I think this is one I grew.
22 from Margie.
I definitely grew one of those. There's 3 there actually. I think I grew that one as well. So I'm pretty good at growing tomato plants. The peppers are from the store.